natin. Ayan, sasayaw din daw po siya. Kung natingin ko sa kanya, may hawig siya kaya, no? Yung bagong kinasal. Si Maricar, is that you?
No.
Okay. So, thank you.
Thank you po. Okay. Good afternoon. I'm Abby Bora and I am your host and I am one of the representatives from Unilever. Tama po, hindi po ako si Iya Villania. Hindi po ako si Wendy Valdez. At lalong hindi si Maricar Reyes. Okay po ba? So I'm Abby Bora again. So, matanong ko po, after a very long talk kanina, gising pa po ba kayo? I can't hear you. Gising pa po ba kayo? Okay, amazing. So, bago po ako mag-start, gusto ko lang po talaga masigurado kung tamang tao po ba yung kaharap ko at nasa tamang lugar po ba ako. Kasi baka mali yung napasukan namin. So, I have 3 questions sa inyo. Just raise your hand kapag yes po yung sagot. Ito po ba yung mga tao na mahilig magbenta? Yes! Ito po ba yung mga tao na gusto yumaman? Yes! Okay, last. Ito po ba yung mga tao na gusto lagi maganda? Okay, so nasa tamang lugar ako. Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga sarili natin. Ayan. I've heard na yung Plaridel branch po talagang doing well. Sabi po talaga yung mga dealers ng Natasha dito, talagang sobrang galing magbenta. And with that, okay lang po ba? Palakpakan po natin yung sarili natin. Congratulations po! Ayan. We're so happy that we are here sa branch niyo po and we are happy na magkaroon pa ng partnership sa Natasha. So, since tama po yung mga tao na nandito, alam po namin na gusto niyo po na ma-achieve niyo po yung goals niyo, which is kumita ng malaking pera and eventually get all your dreams, not for you alone, but also for your family. Tama po? That's why Unilever people are here to help you achieve your dreams. Okay po ba yun? Ayan, so okay lang po ba to us few minutes of your time? 30 minutes po, okay lang po ba? 30 minutes, okay lang po? 30 minutes and 2 days, okay lang po? So lang po, ayan. So 30 minutes lang po to. So, slide please. Okay, so everyone knows that Unity, Black and White is one of the products ng Unilever. Unilever, familiar po ba kayo sa Unilever? Yes, everyone is familiar with Unilever because it's the #1 personal care company here in the Philippines, di ba? Sino pa namang hindi kilala kay Unilever? So, we'll be introducing to you yung different set of products namin. First, we have bar soap. Bar soap na hindi lang basta-basta nakakalinis, but it actually moisturizes our skin. At the same time, it whitens. Sino pa naman gusto ng isa lang yung nakukuha nating benefit? But, di ba, we want it to be really practical nowadays, na gusto natin moisturize na yung skin, pumuputi pa at gumaganda pa tayo. So with bar soaps ng Black and White, we can have it all. So we have 4 variants. We have papaya, but we all know na talagang nakakapagpamuti. We have the milk variant, we have the Ultima, and of course, the intensive whitening soap. So these are the 4 variants of bar soap. Okay. Next. Okay, so of course, kung may bar soaps po tayo, hindi po kasi enough na bar soaps lang po. Dapat po gumagamit po tayo ng lotion. Bakit? Probably you're asking, di ba nakaka-moisturize, saka nakakapagpaputi na naman yung bar soap? Why do we have to still use the lotion? Lotion po kasi is for the protection sa labas. Siyempre naman po kayo pwede magsabon sa labas, di ba? So dapat po, gumamit po tayo ng Black and White lotion to actually protect our skin from harmful effects of UV rays and sun and even the pollutions. So ang maganda dito is, again, 5-in-1. Unilever always try its best na makukuha po ng bawat customer yung best result in one product. So dito po, 5-in-1. Hindi lang po mag-moisturize, hindi lang po magpaganda, hindi lang po magpa-whiten ng skin, but you can actually get other benefits from these products. At, of course, alam po natin na mga Pilipino, very specific pagdating po sa fragrance. Sino pa naman po gusto mabaho? Di ba? Gusto po natin lahat mabango. from the shampoo, from the soap that we use, even sa lotion po. Di ba, Mami, gusto po natin mabango? Definitely. So, we innovate and produce a product na fragrant whitening lotion with 3 times more whitening actives for natural whiter skin. So, these lotions, mas mabilis po na mapapaputi yung skin natin at the same time nourish niya po and protect po from harmful effects outside. Okay, so I don't know if everyone of you knows na ang Black and White from Unilever is the pioneer in whitening in the Philippines. So, pioneer po. Meaning po kasi pag pioneer, di ba, siya po yung kauna-unahan. And pag kauna-unahan, usually, yan po yung established. At pag establish na ang company at ang produkto dito sa country, meaning, maganda po talaga yung resulta at trusted at ang maganda resultado na to and marami na po talagang gumagamit. So, since Black and White is the pioneer in whitening in the Philippines, apparently, it is already in the market for 20 years. Pag 20 years po, maganda po itong product. Pag tumagal na po ng 20 years, definitely, pag 20 years na po, sigurado na po tayo dyan. Guaranteed po yung result, tsaka yung effect po talaga yan sa skin natin. So, Black and White is the pioneer